Hi everyone, this is the another property in the eigenvalues. Prove that the sum of eigenvalues, sum means addition of eigenvalues of a square matrix capital A. Already you know that only square matrix contains eigenvalues. Eigenvalues are not exist for rectangular matrices. Don't worry. Sum of eigenvalues of A is equal to trace of A. What is trace? Trace is nothing but sum of diagonals in the square matrix. Okay, and the product of eigenvalues is equal to det of A. Okay, we have to prove this result. Already we are verifying this result in the problems in earlier videos. See that videos once. Okay, now we are going to prove this result theoretically now. Okay, so we can prove this result for 2 by 2 matrix first. Okay, so let us take a 2 by 2 matrix in general. Okay, don't take the 2 by 2 matrix with any real numbers. Let A is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22 be a square matrix of order 3, of order 2. So first I am going to prove this result for this 2 by 2 matrix. After that we will prove easily for higher order matrices also. Before starting the proof, I want to explain one small rule in the quadratic equations. See, already you know that ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the general quadratic equation. Okay, everybody knows that it has two roots. You can say alpha comma beta are the roots. So what are their properties? What are the properties of alpha and beta? Sum of the roots is nothing but minus b by a, nothing but minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. And what is the product of the roots? Constant by coefficient of highest degree term. Don't forget these two rules. We will use these rules in this proof. Okay, now we are going to find out the eigenvalues of this general matrix. For that purpose, write the characteristic equation. The characteristic equation of A is determinant of A minus lambda I is equal to 0. So before writing the characteristic equation, can you tell what is trace? Here trace is, I forgot to write here, sum of diagonals. So A11 plus A22, and what is det A? Don't forget writing these 2 points before finding the characteristic equations. Just multiply the cross product. You can take det A is nothing but like cross product. A11 into A22 minus A12 into A21. Now come to here. Determinant of A minus lambda is nothing but A11 minus lambda A12. Just subtract the diagonal elements with lambda, it's enough. Remaining are same. Okay, now what is its det? AD minus BC form. A11 minus lambda into A22 minus lambda minus A12 into A21 is equal to 0. Multiply these both factors. A11 into A22 minus lambda into A11, otherwise you can write as A11 into lambda minus A22 into lambda minus into minus plus lambda into lambda, lambda square minus what is the remaining term? Minus A12 into A21 is equal to 0. Now I will write this equation in order. Lambda square is the highest degree term. Next, in the middle two terms, lambda is the common term, minus sign is also common term. So A11 plus A22 into lambda plus this one and this one is the constant term. So, A11 A22 minus A12 A21 is equal to 0. Okay. This is the characteristic equation. The roots of this characteristic equation are called eigenvalues, but we can't find out practically these two roots. So, that is why I will put the names for the roots. Let lambda 1 comma lambda 2 are the roots, that is eigenvalues. Roots of this equation are known as eigenvalues of above. Okay. So, what is the first one? Sum of eigenvalues, nothing but sum of the roots is equal to, you can compare this characteristic equation with this equation. What is A value? A is 1 and B is nothing but this one, and what is the constant? Okay. So, what is alpha plus beta? Minus B by A. According to this one, I got minus of B. What is B? Already B is negative. So, minus of minus, first you should write formula. Minus of minus, you can write plus A11 plus A22 by 1. What is it? A11 plus A22. It would be trace. So, we got sum of eigenvalues is trace of A. Similarly, product of the eigenvalues, lambda 1 into lambda 2. According to this rule, C by A. What is C by A? Constant term. A11 A22 minus A12 A21 by A. A is nothing but coefficient of lambda square, it would be 1. This is nothing but det A. So, clearly we are getting product of the eigenvalues is det A. See here, already we wrote det A here. Okay, addition of eigenvalues is trace of A, product of the eigenvalues is det A. Similarly, one second. So, similarly, we can prove the result for higher order matrices also. Higher order matrices also. According to the principle of mathematical induction, we can easily prove the same result for higher order matrices also. In this way, we can prove this result. It is enough to take 2 by 2 matrix. It is not necessary to take 3 by 3, and it is not necessary to prove the result for 3 by 3 matrix. That one is very difficult for students. At least you have to learn this one. Thank you very much.